Who is that? Magnificent. What do you think?
This place looks so much fun.
Hey, today we are going to craft this bird.
This is an ostrich.
Okay, let's do this.
Hello, friends.
Do you think you could help today?
Yes. I will show you how. Let's go.
That is awesome. That sounds good to me.
Let's do this. This is an ostrich.
So I will see you next time. Bye!
Hello, friends. Here we go. Yahoo! Look over here. Let's play. Yellow. This is orange. This is blue. Red color. Green color. Red color. Awesome. Orange color. Fantastic. Green color. Oh, wow! This is blue. So I will see you next time. Bye! Hello, friends. Hello, kids.
Whoa! Ooh! Have a look here.
Amazing looks interesting.
We are going to learn colors.
Okay, let's do this. Red fish.
Orange
Fish.
Let's go for the next. Yellow color.
Green color.
There are so many colorful fish.
Bye!
Whoa!
Ooh, have a look here. There are so many colorful giraffes. Hello, friends.
How are you doing today?
Who wants to play?
Let's go! Over here.
They look so good.
Okay, let's do this. This is red color giraffe.
Orange giraffe.
Yellow giraffe.
Green giraffe. Blue giraffe. Purple color giraffe.
Pink giraffe.
Cyan giraffe. I'm so proud of you. So I will see you next time. Bye! Whoa! Ooh! Have a look here. Amazing looks interesting.
Hey, bananas! Woohoo! Woohoo! Yeah!
Wow! Look at this slider.
Awesome. Look here.
Ooh! Oh, wow! This place looks so much fun. Hello, friends. Hey, come on. Let's go.
So many colorful balls.
Here we go. This is red color.
Perfect.
Thank you. Let's do the next one. This is an orange color. This is yellow color. Now it's your time. This is blue color. This is green color. This is purple color.
Now it's your time.
This is pink color. This is white color. This is black color. That was wonderful. I'm so proud of you. So I will see you next time. Bye!
Whoa! This place looks so much fun. Hello, kids.
Hello, friends.
How are you doing today?
Let's go over there. Okay, let's do this. I will show you how. They are going to be so much fun.
Yeah, let's go.
Do you think you could help today?
I will show you how. Let's go.
Amazing looks interesting.
Let's do the next one.
That looks fantastic. Horse.
Pig. Cow.
Chicken. Dog.
cat, goat. You are genius! I'm so proud of you!
See you guys next with new exciting things. What is this? This is a caterpillar. Wow! Look at this. There are so many colorful crayons. Hello, friends. Whoa! Interesting. Ooh, have a look here. This is red color.
This is 1.
Orange color. This is 2. Yellow color. This is 3. Green color. This is 4. Cyan color. This is 5. Blue color. This is 6. Purple color. This is 7. Pink color. This is 8. Brown color. This is 9. Black color. This is 10. This caterpillar looks fantastic, and I couldn't have done it without you. Bye! See you guys next with new exciting things.